Okay, so the third feature I added was traffic light, you could say like application. So what it does is when it sees a red light, it will brake or slow you down depending on how fast you're going towards it. So how I do this is I use the detection, I use YOLO, and that can detect traffic lights. So it does that, detects traffic lights. It sends it to the classifier, which I trained myself on it's a mobile net. So it will then classify and it takes the most central one. So I only, usually in this environment, I think every single time, the light that's closest to the center is the light that is relevant. So I'm going to wait for this traffic light to go red, and then I'm going to show how this works. So it's gone red. I'm going to speed it, and you'll see I'm not going to press the brake button, but it's actually going to make me brake. I'm going to drive at it and see this brake, and it brakes me right before this light. And you can see up here, these are all the detections. It detects this one, this one, this one, this one, but it only classifies, well, it classifies each one near the center. It goes the most central and outwards till it gets one that's a color. And you'll see it says red, and when it goes yellow, it'll say yellow and then green. But I can also change, like, you can see it goes green. I can change the time and it will still work the same. At night, probably does better at night because it stands out more. See, it says yellow there and red, and I can change it to things like hard rain, and it definitely gets a lot trickier during the rain, but that's, I mean, it's to be expected. It's supposed to be harder to see during rain. You got rain at noon as well, and so basically, what happens at a traffic light is I'll just spin around actually for this. When it's red, it like stops you, but it doesn't permanently stop you because let's say an ambulance is coming up behind, it still lets you kind of crawl out of the way, but doesn't let you. I'm holding throttle down as hard as I can, but it's limiting the throttle. It won't let me go any faster. So this kind of lets you get out of the way of a traffic light and maybe let like an ambulance pass, but it doesn't let you just zoom through a red light. And that's essentially how this works.